imagine getting a notification on your phone saying you've earned $200. And then a few hours later, there's going to be another notification that pops up on your phone saying you caught another $300. And that's up to $1,000 non-stop daily. And to start, you're going to type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Today's method literally is unlimited. The potential is super high. There's no hard work needed. You're not going to need any website. You're not going to need any technical skills or prior experience. This method is super easy, super special. I don't think anybody out there is willing to share this information with you. And I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because they're selfish or they just don't know about the secret method yet. Now, there are 3 reasons why I love this method. First one is because it's 100% free, which is great. And the second one, it's available worldwide. And the third one is because it's hands-free, which means it's passive, it's automated. As soon as you set it up correctly, you're going to get paid over and over and over again. And you don't even have to touch it. You don't have to do anything after setting it up. I'm super excited to share with you guys, so make sure you watch it till the end so you don't miss anything important. And let's get right into it. Now, the first website for today, I'm going to be showing you a couple of different websites. But the first one is called GoTranscript.com. And on this website, you're going to be able to do very easy transcription jobs. And transcription is basically any audio file or music file given to you. And you are going to write it into words. You're going to put it into words. You're going to type it into words. But no, don't get me wrong, because this is not what we're going to be doing in today's video, because doing transcription jobs is pretty difficult. You probably don't have any experience, neither do I, and you want something easier. So in today's video, I am going to show you a cool and special method that you can actually do all the transcription jobs automatically. So there is going to be something special that's going to do this job for you completely on its own. It's super powerful. The website alone, they're going to pay you a very competitive rate, this website, by doing some online transcription. It says that it's going to pay you 60 cents every minute. So let's say you do 60 cents for every single minute, and let's say you're able to type an hour worth of words. So that's $36 every single hour, and sometimes even more. So I'm going to show you something really cool that you can actually make big bucks off every minute, every hour without you transcribing on your own. So first of all, I want to show you how you can sign up for a free account on this website, okay? Please pay close attention. First off, I want you to click on this Apply Now button, this orange button, and after that, you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to sign up. You're going to click on this, don't have an account, you're going to click on the sign up button. That's where you're going to put in your email address, a password. You're going to click on the sign up button, and that's the entire sign up process. Super duper easy. So this is going to be the first income stream that we are going to build on today's method. So this is the website, GoTranscript, all right? Now, before anything else, I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method, so that my next video will be more relevant to my subscribers. Let's keep going then. Now, our second website that we're going to sign up for is Scribby, okay? So Scribby.com is another website similar to GoTranscript. But again, we're not going to do any of the transcription jobs ourselves. And the reason is because I just want you guys to sign up on multiple websites, because I want you guys to build a lot of income streams all at the same time. Now, the more websites that you sign up on, the more jobs you're going to be able to receive, which means the more money you're going to make. Also, something very important that you have to remember is that sometimes certain websites might run out of jobs and they're not going to be able to offer you any job opportunities anymore. So it's very important that you have a lot of options, because these aren't stable and secure jobs and constant jobs, so we need a lot of options. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. Now we're gonna go into Scribby again. We're gonna sign up for a free account. This website is gonna pay you a really good amount of money. All you have to do is transcribe again audio files, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that automatically. So I want you to scroll down to the website down below to the very bottom part of the page, and you're gonna see right there, you can see this join Scribby as a transcriber. I want you to click on this blue button, apply now for transcription tests. And you're going to land onto this webpage where they're going to break down how much money you're going to be making using this website. So you can earn $5 up to $25 per audio hour in US dollars and very short files, maybe 10 minutes long or less. But basically this website is going to pay you slightly less than GoTranscript.com, but you are going to be building a lot of income streams. So these are the 2 streams that I was talking about that you can start right now, and then I'm going to give you guys another bonus stream of income that you can build, and it's super cool. I believe nobody's talking about this yet. Anyway, before we get into the real money making part, if you are having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's continue. And I want you guys to scroll to the most bottom part of the page. Then you're going to see this, and let's take a look at for transcription affiliate program, right? I want you guys to click on this right now, okay, affiliates, and you're going to land on this page. Basically, you can refer other people and promote their services, their job opportunity, so that whenever people sign up to this job, right, they do the job that you're going to make money, you're going to earn commission. So I'm going to show you how much commission you could make. As you can see here, 10% lifetime affiliate commission on the business generator. So basically what you're going to do is that you're going to refer other people, refer other transcribers, how the professional transcriptionists, they're going to come on here to this website, they're going to sign up, they're going to do that job, and you're going to earn 10% of whatever they're earning without doing any work at all. So that's basically the third income stream that you can actually build on using these websites. But then again, we're going to be revealing exactly how you can do everything automatically. I want to show you how you can have 4 streams of income in today's video, which is super cool because every single stream of income can make you hundreds of dollars daily. So if you do all of them and use all of them in mind, you can easily make $1,000 again and again using these strategies in today's video. So make sure that you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. Now, next question that you might have is, how can I actually refer to other people? How can I get a ton of referrals for free? And they're very, very powerful method they want to share with you now. And I tested them myself, and I do see so many good results. I want to review exactly how it works, so just follow me, everything that I talk to you about. So let's move on to the 4th income stream you can build, which is on screen again. I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this page. Basically, you can become an affiliate for Scribby as well, as they're super, super powerful. And I want you to click on the affiliate button right here now, and they're going to pop up again. Okay, a flip program page where they're going to show you how much commission you are going to make. Now, this one, they're going to pay you about 5% lifetime affiliate commission. So compare that to GoTranscript because they only pay you 10% for doing that. But again, we're going to build a lot of streams of income, so we don't care anyway because it's still going to make a lot of good money. Right now, I want to share with you guys a very cool method. It's a new software which is called NCH software, and it's a free software where you can download for completely free. You can do this on your MacBook or your PC or even on your mobile phone, and they're going to do all of the transcription just for you automatically. Now this is very, very useful because with just a one click of a button, you're going to be able to transcribe 10, 20, 30 minutes of audio files that you can later on submit to 3 or the 4 websites that I showed you, the 3 websites that I showed you, and you can make a lot of money completely automatic with just one single click of a button. And all you have to do is click on this red download free button. So once you click on the red button, you know you're just going to go through the downloading process. That's where you're going to do all the transcription automatically without you doing any of the work, which that in return gives you 2 passive income streams from transcription jobs at GoTranscript and Scribby.com, both websites. So right now I want to show you another income stream that you can build being an affiliate for these 2 websites. So take a look. First we have a very cool forum that you can sign up on. It's Transcription Essential. It's a free forum which you can access from anywhere around the world. If you want to join them, you're just going to click on this register button. As soon as you click on that, you're going to go through the agreement, click on accept the terms of agreement. Make sure you're at least 18 years old. As soon as you click on this button, you're going to fill in all of the details being asked of you. Verify that you're not a robot, and the first word in the name of the website, right, that is transcription. Okay, so the answer is transcription. Just type in that. So make sure that you do that correctly and click on register. So that's where you can sign up for a completely free account. And as soon as you're done with that, you can go back to the forum. As you can see here, you can engage in many different posts as a free member, and you can begin posting. You can share with a lot of people. You can see over here there are 2,000 members right now, over 321 posts, and also 28,000 topics that you can cover. The best part is that all of the members inside this forum are super interested in transcription, right? The transcription pros and experience. They know how to do transcription jobs, and basically what you're gonna do is that you're gonna refer these people, these professional transcriptionists, into your website, into GoTranscription, into all of the websites that I showed you guys. And whenever you refer to them, you're gonna make money. They earn an income, they're happy about that, and then you're also gonna earn 10% and 5% of whatever they're gonna be earning. Now let's say if they earn $2,000, which means you earn $200 for completely free. If all of them earn a combined total of $10,000 after a while, you're gonna earn 10% of that, which is $1,000 for completely free in passive income. You didn't have to do any of the work, and it's crazy. Now, super important, because I do have a really powerful referral copy and paste template, which I use personally again and again, and that's what I want to share with you guys. So this is it. All you have to do is pause this video, copy this if you want. It's proven to work. You're going to get a lot of referrals. You're going to build up so many streams of income. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.